Biden administration buying 60 million barrels of oil just a couple months after saying it's going to sell 120 million. Coming up, I'll tell you why OPEC gets the market way more than we do. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 8:20 here in the middle part of the country on Thursday. It is May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo to you, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. This is just sort of coming off the Twitter this morning. Bryn Kelly, a few others reporting from CNN that Biden administration will buy 60 million barrels of crude oil. Remember, they just did an SPR release a couple of months ago for 120 million barrels. Now, this could have something to do with the grades of crude that they're buying, right? Trying to fill the SPR with more heavy crude while they're selling off light sweet crude that we have here in the U.S., sort of doing a swap for the crude types. Doesn't really say yet. Be interesting to get some more color from the administration later on today. But overall, it's pretty clear they don't have a great grasp on the shortage of liquids worldwide as a result of the Ukraine and Russia war. Of course, energy prices continue to stay elevated. I think they'll continue to go higher, right? You just don't have enough liquids to go around. You need prices to start pricing folks out. OPEC not remedying the situation. They know the market. They know when to press the advantage, and they're doing it, right? They are continuing to hike just modestly, right? 400 and some odd thousand barrels a day. In fact, most of their members are not even producing at their full quotas. They continue to own the energy market in a very profound way, continue to be the marginal producer. Really, we'd like to see that be here in the U.S. Moving on from energy to travelbooking.com with some nice earnings this morning. Stock up double digits in the pre-market. Says they had $2.7 billion in revenue. Analysts are looking for 2.5. Tremendous growth in the travel market. They're looking for a strong travel season. Means more jet fuel getting used. That means that energy situation is only going to get tighter on a go-forward basis. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Thursday, Shopify buying Deliverr for $2.1 billion. Now, this is interesting on two facets. First of all, Shopify continuing to vertically integrate, right? Trying to get products to consumers faster for their store owners, which is a very nice thing. But also, it represents a $100 million premium, 5% premium over their last funding round for Deliverr, right? Deliverr did a Series F round, valued the company about $2 billion. Shopify now buying it for 2.1. That's not quite the exit that F Series round investors were looking for, but at least it gives them the sweat off their books and allows them to say, hey, we made a return. We did not lose VC money, which is kind of what's going on in most of the VC space right now. If you want some additional information throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I'm out there. Until then, I hope you, your family have a really good rest of your Thursday. I am out.